everybody! So today is our last day dito sa unit na to. It's been 1 year na nagstay kami dito sa unit. This is a studio. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo, there's a bed there. So, I believe nasa 37 square meters siya. So, maliit lang guys. Anyways, I'm gonna start the tour right now.
Hi!
Pagpasok natin sa door, right here is yung kitchen agad. So, ayan, kita nyo naman. Ganyan lang siya. Pagpasok nyo, andito na agad sa ating right side ang ating kitchen. And you have all the needed storage. Ito lang yung stove natin. Meron na din itong complete kitchen utensils and things. Merong lutuan. Meron ding plates which nasa loob lang ng mga cupboards. I love it kasi ang daming mga cabinets dito. Yan guys. Lagayan ng mga kung ano-ano for the kitchen. Yan. And then, over there is our fridge. O, diba? So, maliit lang yung fridge and also, meron ding microwave. One of the things na kinuha namin to for rent. Kasi guys, nagustuhan ko ito. This is a dining table na pwede nyong ibaba. Yan. So, i-demo ko sa inyo. So, what we're gonna do is just pull this thing down. Ayan. O, diba? So, we have dining table. And nag-provide na din si owner ng chairs. So, meron tayong 4 na ganito. Ayan. Pag di nyo na siya gagamitin, balik mo lang siya sa ganyan. So, dito naman sa left side, makikita nyo yung intercom. Tapos, merong mirror. Dito na yung living room. Maliit lang, guys. And, dito naman yung closet natin. As in, yan lang talaga yung closet, guys. So, imagine niyo yan ang studio dito. Another thing na nagustuhan ko kasi yung owner, siya yung nagpa-customize nito. Yan. At saka yung dining table. So, gusto ko yung idea niya na yan. Kaya naman, nagkaroon tayo ng mas madaming storage. Hanggang dun sa taas, meron din. And then, we have the TV. Tapos, dun naman, dito ako guys, lagi nag-aayos. That's like my vanity area. Pag nagme-makeup dito, yun nga lang, di ko masyado nagagamit itong mirror kasi parang tinted yung mirror niya. So, I have to use my own mirror there. And then, dito is yung ating bed. This is a queen size bed. And, andyan yung window. Ayan, may divider siya na nagustuhan ko naman. Kasi, pwede tayong maglagay dyan ng laptop or kung ano man. Parang working area. 'Di ba? Parang may table siya. So, ayan guys. Wala talaga tayong view dito, kundi yung neighbor. 'Di ba? Hi neighbors. So, ito lang. Just a peek of the park right there. Yan ang na-enjoy natin for a year. 'Di ba? So, yan. Ayan guys. So, ayun na yung High Street area. Yan. So guys, punta naman tayo sa bathroom. Diyan yung kitchen. Ito naman yung bathroom area. Hello! So this is the bathroom guys. Good size naman. Ito talaga yung bathroom dito sa condo. Ayan. Ito naman yung sink. Dito naman sa side, andyan yung ating washing machine. Yan. Provided na yan ng owner and also meron din tayong storage for the detergent, mga panlinis, ganon. So that's it for our tour. We're just gonna say goodbye sa unit na to. Thank you so much sa 1 year na stay namin dito. Nag-enjoy naman kami and wala naman kami naging problema dito sa unit na to. As in, lahat naman gumagana and yung owner naman ay very cooperative sa aming needs nung kami ay nag-rent dito sa kanyang unit. So that's it guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung little tour natin dito sa aming studio unit na ni-rent namin for a year. So now we're gonna go sa ating bagong place na mas may enjoy pa natin. So that's it. What's up everybody? Andito kami ngayon sa Pinks and magdi-dinner lang kami. It's nice kasi wala masyadong tao dito sa Pinks and usually napakadaming tao dito at mahirap kumuha ng table, but today is a good day. Ayan. So I ordered coffee, iced coffee, and also pizza and chili fries. Masarap yung pizza nila dito. Actually, it's one of our favorite food to order dito sa Pinks. May nagna-nightcap na naman. Saturday night. And may nagbi-beer. Pagkano ang beer, babe? Yung 1 liter.
20 yata.
Actually, today is Black Saturday. Tomorrow is Easter Sunday. And, ayan, madami ng tao dito. After a holiday. And, balik sila dito sa BGC. Namamasyal with their family and friends. So, one of our favorite food to order dito sa Pinks is ang kanilang pizza. This is margarita pizza. I love it kasi it's so soft. Parang New York pizza. And also the flavor, it's so good. And very simple but it's really good pizza. And I also love the crust. Ito. Ay nako guys. Try it. Punta kayo dito sa Pinks and you will love their pizza. Masarap. For our dessert, meron tayong tiramisu. Ganito pala yung tsura ng tiramisu nila. It looks like a pizza. They have a crust. But everything else is tiramisu ingredients. So, hatiin na natin. So, ayan guys, andito kami ngayon sa balcony ng aming bagong condo unit. So, we are currently enjoying a glass of red wine and also our night view dito sa balcony, which ipapakita ko sa inyo right now. Ayun, kita guys yung screen. Yan, mga screen yan. Ayun ang Gentle Monster. And also yung Harlan and Holden, nandun din. So, kitang-kita natin from here.
Kasi sabi ko, ay, na po lang pumunta pa akong Imus. Sabi ko, pag-ramp na lang na. Sa Imus po meron. Meron na sa Imus? Anabu, ito. Sa pan. Iinit mo siya. Tapos para magiging, ano siya, parang yung ano na crusted na creme brulee. Tapos yung loob niyang cheese.
Sarap. Ay, naku.
Teka,
ilabas ang kape.
Oo, labas mo ng kape.
May mangga, pomelo.
Pomelo. Ang daming ano.
Sponsored by.
Eh kasi, di ba talaga? Di ba? Ganun ang Pilipino. Picnic ba? Pagkalagay mo, hangayaan mo na siya mag-melt yung ito.
Mahalo siya dun sa
Kami, pagka pakainin na namin, nilalagyan namin ng ano, powdered milk, yung Bear Brand. Ang sarap na.
Are you guys ready to... The question is, do you know how to swim?
Yeah, I know.
You know how to swim?
He's not that experienced.
No. How? Oh, where are you going? It's very cold? Go swim. You know how to swim? Jan, let me see you swim. Let me see. Go. Okay. Okay. What about you, Asher? Oh, no diving, okay? Just swim. What about you? You know how to swim? How come you don't want to go to the pool, Asher? Asher, how come you don't want to go to the pool? So this one's not that deep. Go swim. How deep is it? Is it deep? It's not.
I can see.
You can't see? Open your eyes.
Where am I? Stop!
check, it is 9:47 a.m. It's almost 10 a.m. dito sa BGC. Napakainit talaga, pero for today, tolerable. Tignan nyo naman, umahangin. Umaabot tayo dito guys ng almost 90 plus degrees Fahrenheit. Grabe, no? Masyado tayong maaga sa ating dentist. Punta muna tayo dito sa Shangri-La Hotel at mag-coffee. We're back home and tinan nyo naman oh, yung pawis ko guys. Grabe. Ganyan kainit sa labas. And naglakad lang kami guys. Kasi malapit lang naman ang high street. Pero grabe. Too hot in Manila guys. Too hot. Anyways, ito po ang binili namin sa street market kanina. Tapos si Albert bumili ng dyaryo. Sino sa inyo ang old school at nagbabasa pa din ng dyaryo hanggang ngayon? O, diba guys? Actually, mga parents namin, etong binabasa nun eh. Pero ngayon, puro social media na, diba? But, wala lang. Natuwa lang kami kasi meron pa ring newspaper na on sale sa grocery. Yan guys. It's only 25 pesos. And then here, napunta kami sa grocery nga. So, we have the lettuce. We have this, kasi favorite ko yan. Tapos, meron tayong kimchi. And then, ito yung mga binili namin sa street market. This is like, siopaw na maliit. Fried, ayan, fried pao. Fried siopaw. Meron din kaming biniling barbecue. Hindi ko napapakita kasi medyo, actually, madaming kaming barbecue na binili because we're gonna wrap it with the lettuce later. morning guys! It is almost 11 a.m. and pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa 5th Avenue Place. It's a condo here in BGC. Tingnan natin what's available na units over there. Ayan yung bagong condominium na tinatayo. Mahal dyan guys. But if you're interested to check it out, my website sila, it's called Aurelia. So that's the building guys. Ito yung mini park nila. If ever nagsistay kayo sa Cebu condo. Ayan. Tapos may mga condo pa ata dito guys. Ganda ng walk namin dito sa side ng 5th Ave. Dun pala yung McKinley.
Ganda ng nature dito.
So this is the building that we're gonna visit. This is the location. Yan. Dun pala guys, papuntang Forbes. And that one is McKinley. So, ayan. Guys, so we just finished 5th Avenue Place condo, and paglabas is you have the all-day convenience store. There's coffee place. Yan.
Oh, yung place siya maganda. Cute lang. It's just maliit lang siya talaga. Pero parang you have everything that you need. Wala ka lang masyadong storage. Pero pwede.
Pwede na. Finish na namin yung paglalakad today.
Hindi idea.
Oh. Naglalakad lang kami dito sa pathway na to. This is like... Oo.
So, maganda yung view niya doon. Kahit
yeah,
floor siya.
Yeah. Ito po ang BGC. Nung wala pa ang BGC. Puro ganyan.